Hello friends, I am Manoj Barsai with triangles. Second part of the triangle, I am proving a theorem first. The theorem is prove that angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Okay. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. By the way, in the book it is given that angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Since it is an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Here also clearly I have mentioned angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. So obvious the triangle will be isosceles triangle. Okay. For proving it, diagram. What is this? Triangle. Given part. In a given, what should I write here? Triangle ABC. Read the line. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle. That means in a triangle, two sides are given equal. I am considering let the sides be AB and AC. AB is equal to AC. It is given. To prove opposite sides, angles opposite to equal sides. These two sides are equal. So can you tell me the opposite angles are? Opposite angle of side AC is angle B. Opposite angle of side AB is angle C. So to prove angle B is equal to angle C. This we are proving. Angle B is equal to angle C. Okay. Construction is required here. Yes. Because we don't have perpendicular median, nothing else. One thing is required. Okay. So I am going to draw one perpendicular here. Or I can draw angle bisector. Draw AD is angle bisector of angle A. Draw AD is angle bisector of angle A. By the way, you will try when you draw AD is a perpendicular, then also you can prove that both the triangles are congruent. Therefore, by CPCT they are equal. I have drawn angle bisector. Do you know what is angle bisector? Which divides the angle into two equal parts. So this angle is equal to that one. Okay, they are equal. Proof. For proving angle B is equal to angle C, you can see that there are two triangles here. One is left, one is at right, triangle ABD and triangle ABC. In triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Triangle ABD, and triangle ACD. Triangle ACD. Triangle ACD. Concentrate to these two triangles. ABD and second is ACD. Okay, and we are analyzing how many sides or angles are equal. So given term is AB is equal to AC because it is an isosceles triangle. Two equal sides are given. AB is equal to AC. Given. Another one. AD is common side. And third one is AD is angle bisector, therefore angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. BAD is equal to angle CAD. What is the reason? AD is angle bisector of angle A. Okay. One side, second angle, and then third side. Which congruency criteria? Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. By side congruency rule, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Therefore, well-known term CPCT by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Angle B is equal to angle C. Proved. So friends, this is the theorem. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. And one more theorem, that is 7.3, I am not proving it. That is just a converse part of it. That is, prove that sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. That means, in other words, in a general simple word, if you want to write, then you can write the statement of it. In a triangle, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. Or in a triangle, if two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are equal. Okay. So these two theorems will be used in coming exercise when we are solving the question. So we are solving the question of this exercise 7.2. In this 7.2 exercise, remember two theorem statement. One is, if opposite sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. If opposite angles are equal, then their opposite sides are equal. Okay. Now the exercise is 7.2. Exercise 7.2. And I am taking question number 1. Number 1, in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC, the bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at point O. Join A to O, show that OB is equal to OC. AO bisects angle A. Okay. In an isosceles triangle ABC, this is a triangle. ABC. AB is equal to AC. Marks are necessary so that again you don't see the question. Bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at point O. Bisector of angle B, which bisects the angle B. Bisector of angle C, which bisects angle C. Intersecting each other at point O. Join A to O. Okay. That is the question. Show that OB is equal to OC and AO bisects angle A. That is the question. Okay. What is given part? Given part is AB is equal to AC, and two more given parts. Angle ABO is equal to angle OBC is equal to, suppose, X. So this I am taking X, it is also X. And angle ACO is equal to angle OCB is equal to Y. So it is Y, therefore it is also Y. These X and Y I have taken. Proof or solution, whatever you want to write. Number 1, OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. Okay. When since I am proving that OB is equal to OC, that means we have to concentrate in triangle OBC, because in triangle OBC, OB and OC are two sides, and we have known through the theorem, if opposite angles are equal, then their opposite sides are equal. So in triangle OBC, since angle B is equal to, or writing from here, since AB is equal to AC, therefore AB is equal to AC, therefore angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. So angle B is equal to angle C. What is the reason? angles opposite to equal sides of triangle are equal. Okay, this is the reason. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal, therefore angle B is equal to angle C. If angle B is equal to angle C, then it's half of B is equal to half of C also. Therefore 1 upon 2B is equal to 1 upon 2C. And 1 upon 2B, what does it mean? Angle OBC is equal to 1 upon 2 angle C, angle OCB. Angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. That means X is equal to Y. Is it okay? That means X is equal to Y. Next theorem says, in a triangle, if opposite angles are equal, then their opposite sides are equal. So if angle X is equal to angle Y, so can I write here OB is equal to OC? What is the reason? Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal are in simple word, if opposite angles are equal, then their opposite sides are equal in a triangle. So therefore OB is equal to OC. One part is proved. Second is AO bisects angle A. AO bisects angle A. Here what should be done? Now AO bisects angle A, that means we are taking triangle AOP and triangle ACO. In triangle ABO and triangle ACO. Triangle ABO and triangle ACO. Okay. Now we are proving these two triangles are congruent. Only then by CPCT both the angles are equal. AB is equal to AC. Given OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. Proved. Just now we have proved. Okay. And third, AO is equal to AO common. By side congruency rule. By side congruency rule, triangle ABO is congruent to triangle ACO. ABO is congruent to triangle ACO. Therefore, by CPCT, angle BAO is equal to angle CA. Angle BAO is equal to angle CA. And if BAO is equal to CAO, what does it mean? AO bisects angle. Therefore, AO bisects angle A. Okay. This is the proof of second part. Now a question is taken for solving. From the same exercise 7.2. Question number 4. Fourth question. Triangle ABC in which altitude BE and CF, two sides AC and AB are equal, show that ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. And second part to show AB is equal to AC, therefore ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Question number 4. Fourth question is, ABC is a triangle in which altitude BE and CF. ABC is a triangle ABC is a triangle in which BE and CF are altitudes. What is the meaning of altitude? They are falling to opposite side at 90 degree. Of AC and AB. AC and AB are equal and they are given equal also. Show that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. That is one. And second, AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. That means ABC is an isosceles triangle. If opposite sides are equal, that means the triangle will be isosceles triangle. List of the given. Friends, many times I told you one thing. Whenever after reading the question, read 2 times, 3 times after reading it, diagram, and after that in the list of given, the things which are given, you have to mention everything here. Okay. So in the given list, BE is perpendicular on AC and CF is perpendicular on AB, as well as BE is equal to CF. B is equal to CF. It is also given. B is equal to CF. Proof. Proof is simple. ABE is congruent to triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. So taking both the triangles in triangle ABE and triangle ACF. Triangle ABE and triangle ACF. I have selected these two triangles and now you should focus only on these two triangles. One is ABE and second is ACF. Okay. This is ABE and ACF. In triangle ABE and ACF, you can see that one angle A is equal to angle A common. This angle is common. Second is BE is equal to CF given. Third part is angle AFC is equal to angle AEB. If this is 90, that side also it is 90. Okay. Angle A is equal to angle A common. BE is equal to CF and angle AEB is equal to angle AFC. Which congruency is using? In this triangle you can see 1, 2 angle and one side. In this triangle there are 2 angle and one side. But this is not angle side angle, this is angle side. Because 2 angles not included side, 2 angles and side is away from the angles. So why angle side congruency rule triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. Both the triangles are congruent. Therefore, by CPCT, in every solution you can see one time the CPCT is using. So by CPCT, AB is equal to AC. And in triangle ABC, since AB is equal to AC, that means triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. So that is the proof of question number 4. Now another question is, One question I am taking in which diagram is not given. Question number 6. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Side BA is produced to D. Sixth question. Side ABC of an isosceles triangle. ABC of an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Side BA is produced to D such that AD is equal to AB. Side BA is produced to D such that AB is equal to AD. Okay. Show that BCD is a right angle. Show that BCD is a right angle. Very interesting question. Given AB is equal to AC in triangle ABC, BA is produced to D, BA is produced to D such that AB is equal to AD. To prove angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. To prove angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Angle BCD is equal to 90. Proof. In triangle ABC, simple solution. In triangle ABC, opposite sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. That means if AB is equal to AC, therefore angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Reason: angles opposite to equal sides of triangle are equal. Okay, angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Okay, ABC is equal to ACB. Okay, suppose I'll take X and it is also X. So therefore ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to X. Okay, and AB is equal to AC and AB is equal to AD. It is given that AB is equal to AC and AB is equal to AC. What does it mean? The meaning is AC is equal to AD. Meaning is AC is equal to AD. In triangle ACD, opposite sides are equal. If opposite sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. So may I write here? Angle, if in triangle ACD, AC is equal to AD, therefore angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. What is the reason? Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle, same reason angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Therefore, at this is equal to I can consider as Y. So it is Y, therefore it is also Y. So this is equal to Y. Now, in triangle BCD, now in triangle BCD, using angle sum property, when I use angle sum property, what is it? Sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180. That means what is angle B? X plus angle C. Angle C, which is the total of these two angles X and Y. So in place of C, I am writing X plus Y. Plus angle D is Y is equal to 180. That means 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. 2 common, x plus y is equal to 180. What does it mean? X plus y is equal to 180 divided by 290. And x plus y is equal to 90. Where is x plus y? This is x plus y. What is the meaning of it? BCD. So therefore angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. It is proved. Okay. Okay friends, next question is question number 7. 7. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A is equal to 90 degree. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A is equal to 90 degree. ABC is a right angle triangle. AB is equal to 90 degree and AB is equal to AC. Okay. Find angle B and angle C. Find the values of angle B and angle C. What is given? Given part, in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 and AC is equal to BC. That is given. Okay. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90, angle A 90, AC is equal to BC. It is given. Find the values of angle B and angle C. Proof. Okay. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90. Therefore, by angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. The value of angle A is given 90. 90 plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Therefore, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 minus 90. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 90. Okay. Sum of these two angles is equal to 90 degree. Now it is given that AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to AB. What is given? AC is equal to AC. AC is equal to AB. And opposite sides are equal, that their opposite angles are equal. So what to write here? Therefore, I can write here angle B is equal to angle C. What is the reason? Angles opposite to equal sides of triangle are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Therefore, if AB is equal to AC, then angle B is equal to angle C. This I am giving equation number 1. Y1, angle B plus angle C is equal to 190 degree. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 90. And here we have proved that angle B is equal to angle C. Okay. What does it mean? Angle B plus, in place of angle C, may I write angle B is equal to 90. Angle B plus angle B, there are two like angles, will be added. 2 angle B is equal to 90. Therefore, angle B is equal to 90 upon 2, 45. So, angle B is equal to 45 degree. And since angle B and angle C both are equal, so that means they are 45, 45 each. So, one value angle A is equal to 90 and the remaining two, they are equal. Their value, their measurement is 45 and 45. Okay. One more question I am taking from this exercise number 8. Question number 8 is, show that angles of an equilateral angle is equal to 60. Each angle of an equilateral angle is 60 degree. Each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Question is, show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. Question number 6. Show that the angle of an equilateral triangle show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. Okay. Where what is given? Triangle is given, that is equilateral. So here we are understanding one thing, that equilateral, that means all three sides are equal. All three sides are equal. Okay. Given. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC is equal to angle CA. Okay. To prove angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree. All three angles is equal to 60 degree each. Prove. When we start proof, first of all, AB is equal to AC. So it is given that AB is equal to AC. Given AB is equal to AC. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Friends, I am writing this line again, you know why? Because you should also be in a practice that whatever the reason is there, reason is must to write there on the right hand side. Okay. For everything, if you are writing any step on the right hand side, the reason is must. So opposite angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. AB is equal to AC. What does it mean? Angle B is equal to angle C. Similarly, AB is equal to AC, BA is equal to BC. Given BA is equal to BC. Same reason here, BA is equal to AC. See that BA and BC, their opposite angles are angle A is equal to angle B. Angle A is equal to angle B. Okay. If BA is equal to BC, then angle A is equal to angle B. This is equation first. Here I can give equation number 2. By 1 and 2, what is the conclusion? Angle B is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle A. That means angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Conclusion is angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. And by angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Because all three angles are equal, so angle A, in place of B, may I write angle A? In place of C, I can write angle A is equal to 180 degree. A plus A, 3A is equal to 180. Therefore, angle A is equal to 180 upon 3, that is 60. And if angle A is equal to 60, what does it mean? Since A is equal to B is equal to C. So angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree each. So this is the proof of this, that each interior angle of an equilateral triangle is equal to 60 degree each. Okay, thanks.